Hi, I would like you help me to pronounce what is the name of this?
So Henry, this would be a couch.
A couch?
Couch.
Okay, couch.
Right.
Okay, I am good. A couch.
You are good at couch.
Couch. What is this?
So this would be a wood burning fireplace.
Okay, a wood.
So
Repeat, please.
so what it is, and I'll just specify, it's a fireplace. So we'll go with that
Fireplace.
first.
Yeah.
And the type of fireplace that it is a wood
Wood
burning
burning.
fireplace.
Wood burning fireplace.
So it's wood as if like a tree
Wood,
is made
tree.
of wood.
Okay.
Wood burning fireplace.
Okay. Thank you so much. Wood.
No problem.
Wood. Let me repeat. Wood. Wood. Fire burning fireplace.
That was perfect.
Oh,
It said
great.
wood perfect too.
Okay, let's go to another part
And then I
here.
think we're looking at a closet, which right here is a closet.
Closet. Oh, and this is also a closet.
Right, so this one actually, it's being used as a linen closet.
Linen closet. Okay. And
And then this, the same, would be a closet.
this is a closet. Closet.
Closet.
Okay, that's great. Thank you
have
so
it.
much.
No problem.